In a previous video, I had mentioned replacing this because it broke. That part did not come today, so that's gonna have to wait. But I also mentioned this little coin thing. The one I have is like nasty, broken, and I'm also just not a fan of these spring designs. I prefer to just have coins there and I look through them when I need them. On eBay, they go for like $5 to $10. But where's the fun in that? I'm gonna design my own. All right, I finished the dimensions. So I first, capture every size I could possibly need. This is the back side, but that's the only part needed because this is what hooks into the car, and everything else is up to you. I think I can even make this longer if I wanted to, but I'm not gonna do all that. So as you can see, I have finished the product. Now what's left is the 3D printed to see if it actually works, and that's gonna replace this, which is all like fucked up and ugly. So I catted this. Hopefully it fits. I haven't tested it out yet. We'll see now. And it's also a nice blue color, so it'll be pretty gangster and awesome if it fits. Oh, hold up, it's almost fitting. Oh yes, it fits. Nice. Look how nice that blue color is. Okay, so to replace this musty looking coin thing, look, now I have a little compartment here. So I have the basic, I don't know who designed this, but it's horrendous in here. I have the big one, and then I have this for coins. And you could just shift through your coins rather than like, because I hate these. I'm not a fan of actually like organizing them by coin, quarter, dime, nickel. That's just not me. Or backwards, quarter, dime, nickel. That's just not me. I would rather just go through the coins and look at all the ones I have. Plus, where would you put your pennies? Well, I know they stopped printing penny this year, but doesn't matter. Anyways, look, it's nice. It's blue. It's made out of PETG. I'm glad it fits.